Twitch versus YouTube streaming, which is better? When choosing between Twitch and YouTube for streaming, the decision ultimately depends on your content type, audience, and monetization goals. Both platforms offer strong features for live streaming but cater to different needs. Twitch is primarily known for its gaming community, with custom emotes, a focus on interaction, and a shot that allows for extensive community engagement. It has a robust affiliate and partner program, offering revenue through ads, donations and subscriptions, and affiliate links. The platform's monetization options are particularly popular for streamers looking to build a loyal community with frequent donations. YouTube, on the other hand, is a broader platform that integrates live streaming into an extensive pre-recorded content ecosystem. YouTube's monetization is centered on ads, super chats, and partnerships, but it doesn't offer in-app donations as Twitch does. However, YouTube offers the advantage of its powerful search engine and algorithm, making it easier for creators to be discovered through both videos and live streams. It's a great option if you're looking to attract a wide range of viewers and integrate both live content and pre-recorded videos. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.